Oh boy, it feels good to be back at my PC while XRP is back over $3, baby. Just got back from my month-long trip back from the UK yesterday. And today is Monday, August 4th, and the market's getting a nice bounce off of that pullback that we've been experiencing for the past like 2 weeks. It's funny. Got out to Liverpool, my first full day there with Andy, who I run drop with. XRP hits a new all-time high, 365, and then from that point forward, it was just going down. Now I'm back to Vegas, and it looks like things are turning around out of here. And look, man, all I'm gonna say is maybe this is just a relief bounce, and we have some, more consolidation, some more chop before the true breakout and parabolic move begins. But whenever that parabolic move does start, it always moves faster than people think. Just like we moved here from 225 to 365, a lot faster than people could have imagined. It was only about a week. Um, Once this gets going, it could go really, really quickly. So, is this a beginning? Is this just a little relief bounce? We'll talk about that. I got some tweets pulled up, but first I just wanted to start with this Wyckoff accumulation schematic, right? That's basically what we've been in my opinion, right? We had our top here. We had our selling climax right to the bottom, right here. Our automatic rally, our secondary test right here. Right here. And then we had a pump up. We broke that automatic rally high, like it shows here in the schematic. Then we come all the way down for our secondary test in phase B. We sweep this low. Then we come up, we creep up, build this last point of support, sideways, sideways, sideways for ages. Boom, take off, escape this range for our SOS, and now we're having our last point of support slash SOS phase right here. And it looks to me, right, this could be a completed correction. I think we found the bottom. We just do a little A, B, C, boom, just like that, right? And now we're bouncing up out of here, and it could get moving quickly, guys. It looks good. Bitcoin also, right? Break out into new highs, back test this previous high right here. Bouncing so far. Again, we got ways to go. Can't say anything for sure yet, but it looks good. XRP versus Bitcoin, bro. Come on, we were stuck down here below this like line for ages. Massive impulse up to the highs, pull back to the mid range, right on top of this support area. And now what? Are we getting ready to finally go for it? BCB talks a lot about this pair in his recent video. You should go watch that. We'll get over to one of his tweets here in a moment. Let's go look at Total 3. Total 3 as well. Up, up, back test. Like this looks like a healthy uptrend. And then the most important thing, Bitcoin dominance. Massive move down. This looks like a bear flag. Little move grinding up before another breakdown. In my opinion, guys, in my opinion. I think things look really, really good right now. And I'm very, very excited for the next month or two and really just the rest of this year in general. I think we could see a macro top, or we will see a macro top this year, but it could come sooner than people think, right? It could come in September even, just like within the next 2 months. So eyes are peeled. Happy to be back on my computer. Let's run through some tweets here from BCB right on the button of 112K, the peak from May 22nd. We'll see if that was good enough for a back test. Showing here the similarities in these charts, how we're hopefully done with that back test, now ready to put in this final parabola for the market and enter banana mode. Here from Credible Crypto, XRP, might be time to start zerping again soon. And it looks like that might be what we're doing here, showing the XRP versus Bitcoin pair. Crypto Insight UK been posting a lot of these, the liquidity maps. So liquidity on the hourly for XRP, like we swept a lot of liquidity down here, a little bit more, a bit lower, but now as you can see, if we come over to the daily chart, There's almost no liquidity down here. Tons above us up at $4. So that looks like the area of interest now. XRP to $4. This bounce that we're getting today seems strong. It's like continuing right now, 307. Let's see if we can get back up to that like 320, 330 region, and then maybe chop about, or maybe even as high as like the highs, 340, 350, then chop about for a bit before a bigger breakout, maybe. Hear from Ripples in Wales, who I also had the pleasure of meeting out in the UK, in Liverpool, and then he met us down when we hiked Mount Snowdon. He met us at the bottom. Awesome guy. Pleasure to meet him. Hopefully see him again one day, either out there or over here stateside. But he also posted in the chart. So far, so good. Nice V-shaped recovery from here. And yeah, man, it just looks great. I bought not the bottom of this dip, but the first low we got around 290. I scooped up some more of a XRP 2x leverage ETF over on Robinhood, ticker XXRP. It didn't catch any here at the bottom because this was over the weekend. Market wasn't even open, wasn't even trading. But I'm excited. I'm excited to see where this goes. Hear from Cobb, XRP under $3 is a meme. XRP under $3 is completely fake and not a real thing and will never happen again. That's the attitude, Cobb. Hear from Dark Defender, you haven't seen anything yet, but for now, XRP is at 3.0333. Beautiful number, 33s. If you know, you know. We're just starting. Also from Ripples and Whales, keep stacking XRP. Just showing the XRP rich list here. How few people actually own any kind of significant or substantial amount of XRP. You often have people saying, oh, they won't make everyone rich. Don't worry. XRP could go to $1,000. They're not going to make everyone rich. It's going to be very, very few people that benefit from that in terms of the global population. And here from MC Solar Wind at $7.20, XRP flips ETH. At 38.43, it flips Bitcoin. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. And I do truly believe XRP flips ETH. I think that happens this cycle. And then Bitcoin, I believe it will flip Bitcoin, but that is probably a bit farther down the line. So hope you enjoyed this update. Happy to be back. Gonna try and get these consistent videos rolling out again. Daily uploads, I don't know, I was so good at it for a while, but it's gotten difficult. But we'll see what we can do. Market seems like it's going to be exciting here. Don't forget about XRP meme coins. Those are going to be the big gainers, in my opinion, when XRP breaks it into new highs and starts ripping into price discovery. So check those out as well. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you in the next one. Have a wonderful start to the week.